In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix if direct messages not showing on TikTok app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you can see your DMs, it may be a glitch in the application, in which case you need to reinstall it in a special way. So first off, open up Settings, then tap on General, and then get into iPhone storage. After the page is loaded, just scroll down until you find the TikTok, then just tap on it, and that's where you should offload the app first. Just hit at offload and offload again, and that action will remove all app core data that may include some bug or error, and then you should just reinstall the app. Hit at reinstall app and wait until the process to complete. That will install TikTok app from the scratch, and after that you will be able to use the app as before without even re-entering your login data, because as you can see, documents and data are still at your device. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my TikTok tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.